You're approaching this kind of a problem. What you are trying to do is you're trying to see, can you rewrite every single exponent in terms of the same base. Okay, so often you'll find that whatever the smallest base is will be the simplest, and you may have to reduce it down or simplify it even further, but in this case, can we express each of these numbers, each of these bases of exponents in terms of base 2? So can we express 4 as a base 2? Yeah, it's 2 squared. What about 1/2? Yeah, it's 2 to the minus 1. Remember, the minus will move the base into the denominator. So the power up here stays the same. What about 8? Base 2, it's 2 cubed. And then finally we have this one that's already written as a base 2. Okay, so that's the first step. Get everything written in terms of the same base. Once you complete that, what you can now do is apply all the properties of exponents to simplify these. Okay, so when we take a power to a power, which we're going to do in 3 of the 4 bases here, we just multiply. So we get 2 to the 2x times 2. We multiply here again, so it changes the sign. The negative 2x becomes a positive 2x. The 3 becomes a negative 3. So I'm reordering those terms as well as changing their signs. And that's all equal to 2 cubed, so the power stays exactly as it is. And then here, power to a power, once again, we multiply. Right, so we're still not completely simplified here, so what we can do is continue to apply the properties of powers, of exponents. When you multiply exponents with the same base, you do what with their powers? You add them. So you get 2x plus 2x minus 3, combining the left 2 exponents with the same base 2. Here we're multiplying 2 exponents with the same base, so once again, we can add their powers. Once you get to this step, now we can apply the rules for solving an exponential equation. We've got both sides set equal to the same exponential base, so now we can equate the powers. So if we combine these, 2x plus 2x gives us 4x minus 3 has to equal 3 plus 2x, and we solve for x. So if we subtract a 2x from both sides, leaving 2x, move all the constants to the other side, giving us 6, isolate your x completely by dividing by 2, and we get our solution, x is 3.